Welcome back to another video, guys. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. So today we're trying out St. Mary's Banana Bread. They have both a rum and an original banana bread. So let's get in the video. Alright guys, so as I mentioned, we're going to be trying out St. Mary's Banana Bread. They have two, the original, which is just banana bread, and then they have another banana bread with rum. So I'm going to definitely go ahead and try that out and tell you guys what I think and see how it tastes. Girl, we got to see how this thing tastes. Alright, so the first one we're going to try is the original. Hope you guys can see that. Alright, so it said peel here. You can find little ingredients and things with having it. So it's a sugar, egg, water, corn oil, non-fat dry milk, you know, leaveners, and a couple starch and stuff. And they do let you know that if you're allergic to any nuts, it's, you know, processed in a place where there might have been some nuts, so you want to be careful. But if you're curious like me, you want to use banana bread though. Alright, ooh. So if I'm gonna cut open the something, I smell the liquid there. I tell us, me know girl, how banana bread tastes. And how banana bread to eat and everything there. I'm gonna tell you, like, this smell like a nice, authentic, your mother bake this a yard. If your mother bake it, your mother bake this a yard. Yeah, this smell like when your mother bake it. Alright, St. Mary. I wonder what I got things. I like the smell. Honestly, I smell like a nutmeg and, you know, like a vanilla. Honestly, I smell like a vanilla. Yeah. And some nice. My name is St. Mary. Produce banana. Probably Portland. It smells even better outside of the pocket, guys. So, if I shake a little bit, but I'll show you. Alright, hold up. See this. No, St. Mary. St. Mary. Mine on the Sammy. Mine on the Sammy. No, St. Mary. I want a bag of things. A bag of boatload of things. Girl, you want to get this. You see this? Buy it. In a supermarket? Buy this. This nice. Because if you don't know to make banana bread, that is for you. I'm going to cleanse up my little palette and thing. And we're going to try the rum. The rum one, because you know rum makes everything else taste better. So, I'm going to try that now, guys. So, this is the one with the rum. It's the one with the rum, guys. So, let's go and see if this top the charts. Yeah? Alright. Little snap out package. It's a peel here, guys, but I'm going to see under there for peel. Boy, open the packet and the smell lick me. And this look like, man, you know, when you get banana bread, man, this look like it. I'm gonna show you the first one. Look how that look. Now you see how them little ribbons there, you know that are the blossom in a banana bread. You know what they call it for the seed. Probably the seed. But when it bake, it get a little stringy texture there. So I'm not telling a lie, guys. Smell good too. Alright, this now smells more rum than anything else, honestly. So I hope someone give it a taste of spices like the other one. Alright, let's go. Alright. The rum, you know, like rum and raisin ice cream, I tell you, that's what the rum smells. St. Mary. We're not going with that butter, please. St. Mary, very want to find this. This nice. Girl, this nice. Now tell us to go buy this. Me, I tell you, say, you can go buy this. Let's me have to take a second bite. I'm not sure that I buy it here because I chew me craving. Yeah. Them know what them do that too. The bake, me want me to bake a ya. Me want me to bake a ya. This nice, girl. So, I guess I'm going to say St. Mary Banana Bread. But I don't know if I bake banana bread, because I bake banana bread. This is for you. You don't know to bake it, but you like it. This is for you. Honestly, when I supermarket looking at the bakery section, you're gonna see it, girl. Pass me, I catch the packaging say no say them are going to the bag of things, girl. I gotta just close my mouth. Alright guys, so I'm gonna rate both of them just to see, you know, what more that tip it on the scale. So honestly, for the original, out of 5, I'm not gonna say, but a 5, it definitely a 4 for me because it's original banana bread. You know, it smells authentic, tastes authentic as well, and seeing that they're able to package it and it's gonna last for a while, maybe up to 2 to 3 months or even more. Yeah, it's really worth trying. And I'm gonna rate the rum 5 out of 5. Absolutely 5 out of 5. The rum, of course, this one is gonna last longer on the shelf because the rum is a preservative, so you know, say, girl, you get you one of these. You get St.Mary Banana Bread. You hear me I say? Buy it. Buy it. Go and check the store name in the supermarket, guys, and get this. Yes, I know those spots a bit, but this nice. Girl is nice. So thank you so much for watching this video, guys, and definitely go ahead and jump in your local supermarket and get you St.Mary Banana Bread. And if you live a foreign, miss, sir, Mr., ma'am, get a family for send it come here. I call me send it come here, not for free. Yeah, so thank you for watching this video, guys, and see you next time. Peace.